At Madico U, we talk a lot about Madico Film's solar capabilities and how we provide big energy savings from hot sunlight. But along with saving you money on cooling costs in the warm summer months, did you know the same Madico architectural films help retain interior heat and help you reduce heating costs in the winter? Year-round, the sun's ultraviolet rays cause colors to fade, fabrics to fray, and woods to crack. This damage to your furnishings, floor, and artwork become worse over time and can never be reversed. But it can be significantly reduced with the application of Madico films. They block 99% of harmful UV rays, potentially saving you thousands of dollars in sun damage, while helping to preserve the beauty of your home or office and your valued possessions for as long as you own them. Madico film improves the comfort of your space throughout the year, despite the temperature, by making windows more energy efficient and conserving all that energy benefits the environment too.